Dear students, welcome back. In the previous session, we have discussed about metatarsophalangeal joint function. Now in this session, we are going to discuss about interphalangeal joints of foot. Okay, here the interphalangeal joints of the toes or synovial hinge joints with 1 degree of freedom, that is flexion and extension. So in the first, normally the toes is also having proximal interphalangeal joints as well as distal interphalangeal joints. So in the first toe will have only proximal interphalangeal joints, same as the thing we have seen in the thumb of the hand, and the remaining toes will have proximal as well as distal interphalangeal joints are present. Okay, so that means the great toe has only one interphalangeal joint connecting the two phalanges, whereas the four lesser toes which are having two interphalangeal joints, one is proximal and distal interphalangeal joints connecting three phalanges. Okay. Yes, each phalanx is virtually identical in structure to its counterpart in the hand, although substantially it is shorter in length when compared to that of the hand. Okay, so if you can see each proximal bone, so this one is proximal phalange is having a double convexity. Here you can find double convexity which fits into the double concavity of the distal bone. These synovial hinge joints will have a joint capsule and collateral as well as plantar ligaments are present. Normally the dorsal aspect of the capsule is replaced by dorsal digital expansion. Flexion and extension movements or normally occur in these joints. Okay, and the toes function is to smooth the weight shift to the opposite foot in gait. That means from one foot to another foot, these toes will help to smoothen the weight shift to the opposite foot in gait, and it helps in maintain stability by pressing against the ground in standing. Normally injuries to this interphalangeal joints are relatively uncommon, but it may be involved in dislocations and fractures. So this is all about the interphalangeal joints, and if you want to understand the structure in detail, I have already explained the interphalangeal joint structure of thumb and fingers. You can go through there. The same kind of structure we can find here also. Okay, so this is all about the interphalangeal joints. In the next session, we are going to discuss about plantar arches and its structure and function. Thank you.